describing all the problems we were facing, survive them. We can really never try to prescribe it, but now I'm looking at a love I can confide in. I will be there if you wanna stay, and I bet you know where you know it. If you wanna wait on better days, no, I can't control it. I will be there if you wanna stay, and I bet you know where you know it. If you wanna wait on better days, no, I can't control it.
Tell me why she's got me in the red zone. Got me in the friend zone. Tell me why she's got me in the red zone. Got me in the friend zone. Tell me why she's got me in the red zone. Got me in the friend zone. Tell me why she's got me in the red zone. Got me in the friend zone.
Tell me why, tell me why. Tell me why you won't give me a try. I'll be there for vibes, I won't compromise. The times where I'll need you to put me in the zone. Call me through the phone, stay when I'm alone. Put me in the zone, call me through the phone, stay when I'm alone. Tell me why you put me in a red zone. Why you got me in a friend zone. Tell me why I'm not inside the end zone. Why you got me in a friend zone. Tell me why you got me in a red zone. Got me in a friend zone. Tell me why you got me in a red zone. Got me in a friend zone. Tell me why you got me in a red zone. Got me in a friend zone. Tell me why you got me in a red zone. Got me in a friend zone. Where's the end zone? Where's the end zone? No, no, never again, never again, not again.